Let's start with Area Note that we also mentioned earlier as a new feature in ARES Commander that is also available on mobile with ARES Touch. As previously explained, with Area Note, you can calculate areas directly in your drawing by selecting a region. As ARES Kudo is more specifically aiming at occasional users or people frequently working remotely, this feature doesn't require any CAD expertise and makes it easy to review, validate, and annotate spaces. And because it's available across ARES Commander, Kudo, and Touch, the workflow remains consistent wherever you are. Number 2, the contextual ribbon for Hatch. ARES Kudo previously introduced the ribbon interface like in ARES Commander and AutoCAD. Now we are working on contextual ribbons, and this is the first one. When creating or selecting a hatch, the interface adapts in real time to display only the relevant tools. This removes the need to navigate throughout multiple menus and keeps the focus on the task. It's a familiar concept for users coming from desktop CAD, now optimized for the web. Number 3, quick print to PDF with print styles. Printing is another area where familiarity matters. ARES Kudo now offers a new and more intuitive print workflow with direct PDF output and support for CTB and STB print styles. This means you can reuse existing print styles from AutoCAD or ARES Commander without adjustments. You retain full control over scale, layout, and output settings, all directly from your browser. The result is a streamlined way to produce consistent, high-quality outputs in an online environment. Number 4, Drawing Insights. Moving to collaboration, ARES Kudo introduces Drawing Insights. This feature provides a clear view of how drawings are accessed and modified over time. It logs key actions such as opening, renaming, and sharing files, and presents them in a structured, user-oriented way. By making file activity visible, it becomes easier to understand changes, track contributions, and reduce ambiguity in multi-user workflows. And number 5, edit blocks directly from the Trinity block library. With the Trinity block library, you can create online block libraries to share across all your devices, but also multiple users. Now, editing the blocks you saved in your online block libraries can be done directly in ARES Kudo, and your online library will be instantly updated for all your users. In other words, you no longer need to use ARES Commander to edit these blocks, saved in your online libraries. The main exception is for dynamic and custom blocks, as ARES Kudo can use dynamic blocks but cannot create them. These 5 features reinforce ARES Kudo as a complete and standalone 2D CAD solution that is perfect for occasional users, combining familiar workflows with modern cloud and AI features. To learn more, make sure to watch the deep dive demo that will follow shortly.